Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we are fixing the Steam Initialization Failed error that pops up when launching games. So let's just jump right into the solutions and get started. So first of all, we can run the Steam as an administrator. So find Steam, right click on it, and select this option of Run as Administrator. This alone should fix many of the issues for many of the users. Apart from that, you can verify the game first. So you can open up the Steam for that. And once you open up Steam, you can go to the Steam option at the top and select it. And within there, you can go over and select the option of library. Or basically look out for the library section directly and open up the library. And you can right click on the game that is currently downloaded on your device and go to their properties. And once you go to their properties, you can select the option of installed files there and verify the integrity and let the Steam scan and pair the missing files. Apart from that, you can restart the Steam service. So press Windows plus R for that. Type in services.msc, hit enter, and once you hit enter, just go over and type in S, go to Steam Client Service, back click on it, and select the option of restart, and restart the Steam Client Service for that. Also, you can delete the Steam app cache folder. You can close this up for now, and close Steam as well. And once you close it up, you can go to your program first. You can go to your File Explorer, and from there just go over to this PC, go to local disk C, and go over to program files 86, and just go over and look at the Steam file right here. And if there's cached folders available here, you can just go over and select all and press Shift plus delete and delete. Click yes and confirm it up. And apart from that, if there is any kind of antivirus enabled, you can just go over and disable and try launching the game. And if that's not the issue, make sure to enable it back on as well. And if nothing else, you can just go over and delete the Steam application completely and again reinstall it, the folder, and that should also repair the corrupted files. And that is it, everybody. Those are probably the solutions you can follow up to fix that issue right here. So we hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.